Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to Autosum in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So let's sum up the data in column B. Select the required cells and then find the Functions button on the ribbon. Click on it, then select the Sum function and press Enter to complete the calculation. As you can see, we got the sum of the values from the entire column. The sum function also works if there are not only numbers in the range, but also other characters. The function simply excludes them from the calculation and sums up only the numbers. Next, to get the result in the remaining columns, we just need to hold down the left mouse button on the field marker, this is the dot in the lower right corner of the cell, and drag it to the right, thereby copying the formula to other cells. Great, now let's sum up the values in the rows. As you will see later, it's even faster and easier. We select all the cells in a row, click on the sum function, and Google Sheets understands what we need and offers an autofill option. We can allow autofill and all rows will be calculated instantly, or do it manually as in the first case. That's all, now in a little more.